So, what are the best penny stocks to buy on February 13th, 2025? Well, number one recommendation is Moleculin Biotech, stock symbol MBRX. It is up today 361% or $1.52, trading at $1.94. Since this morning, it already traded 38 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $8 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? This is obviously a pharmaceutical penny stock. For the last 6 months, it was doing nothing but crashing. It went from $3 all the way to like 10 cents. And while it was crashing, nobody was really trading it. Nobody really wanted to touch that thing. And this is a typical story for pharmaceutical penny stocks, because unless they have some kind of proof that the medication they're working on is effective, for example, they got good results from clinical trials when the medication was used on humans, or maybe they get FDA approval for the medication, nobody wants to touch these stocks, because developing a new drug is very long, very kind of like error-prone process, a lot of false positive results. However, if you do get some kind of real proven results, then everybody and their brother wants to get onto this deal and buy those shares while they're cheap. And this is basically what happened today. The stock pretty much more than tripled in price in one day, and also it produced very nice trading volume, close to 39 million shares already. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there, because it could be very powerful news they released and the stock might go much higher, but you have to check it out. So, Moleculin Biotech, stock symbol MBRX, only $1.94 share. Next one is Alpha Modus Holdings, stock symbol AMOD. It is up today 134% or $2.47, trading at $4.32. Since this morning, it already traded 89 million shares. The market cap of the company, though, is roughly $55 million. So, the most important thing about this stock, this is a very recent IPO. They just started to trade on December 16th of last year. And this is basically the event when the private company lists their stock on a stock exchange, and regular people like you and me could actually participate in this stock by purchasing the shares. I like this type of companies because usually when they just enter the stock market, they work extra hard to attract investors' attention and to create powerful demand for their shares. So apparently this company released some kind of news today, and suddenly the stock more than doubled in price in one day, and plus it's attracting 89 million shares in trading volume, which means that the market is aware about the stock and more buyers coming in and pushing the price higher. So take a look, see what's going on there, and if it sounds promising enough, maybe put some money into it. So Alpha Modus Holdings, stock symbol AMOD, only $4.30 a share. Next one is MGO Global, stock symbol MGOL. It is up today 120% or 5 cents, trading at $1. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 347 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap of the company, though, is pretty small, only $9 million. So, I'm not sure what this company does, but 6 months ago, they used to trade at $5 a share. Then they gradually collapsed to like 50 cents or even less. And while they were collapsing, nobody wanted to touch the stock, nobody wanted to trade it. So basically it was on its way to be delisted probably. However, in the last, I would say, 7 days, the stock is experiencing very powerful growth. It established a pretty, bullish trend, and also the trading volume is picking up. So it had some huge days, I would say like 3 or 4 days ago, when they traded over 1 billion shares. But the momentum continues. So whatever news they're releasing, or whatever kind of like awareness they create on the stock market is working and attracting a lot more new buyers. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look at the stock, see what's going on there, and maybe put some money into it. Because guess what? Even if you pull the trigger right now at $1 a share, and this thing goes back to its previous levels of $5 a share 6 months ago, I mean, you could make 5 times on your investment. So it's not, I guess, too late to jump in, because it's still kind of trading at a 6-month low. So MGO Global, stock symbol MGOL, only $1 a share. By the way, this stock was on my report for the last 3 or 4 days, and if you were watching my reports, then you would be able to catch it at like 20 or 30 cents. That's where it used to trade like a week ago. It already went from 20 cents to $1. But if the news are powerful enough, then maybe this thing could go even higher. So take a look and make up your mind, and maybe put some money into it. So next one is Edessa Biotech, stock symbol EDSA. It is up today 84%, or $1.59, trading at $3.45. Since this morning, it already traded 93 million shares. Market cap of the company, though, is only $11 million. So this is another, pharmaceutical penny stock. 6 months ago, it used to trade at $5 a share. Then it collapsed to like $1.50. So while it was collapsing, nobody was trading it. The usual story, nobody cared. The stock was invisible to the market. However, I think today was the first time in the last 6 months when they released some very powerful news, and suddenly the market goes crazy over them. 93 million shares today, and nothing for the last 6 months kind of tells you that there's a huge interest in that stock. So if I were you, I would take a look, see what's going on there, and maybe put some money into it, because who knows how high it will go. But just remember, if you pull the trigger right now at $3.50, the upside potential is, let's say, $5. So there's a chance to still make another $1.50 in your investment, or close to 40% on this price. So if I were you, I would take a look. So Edessa Biotech, stock symbol EDSA, only $3.46 a share. Next one is Phoenix Motor, stock symbol PEV. It is up today 88%, or 22 cents, trading at 47 cents a share. Since this morning, they already traded, listen to this, 222 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. So market cap for the company, though, is only $17 million. So based on the stock symbol and the fact that they got EV inside of it, and it has a motor, it looks like it's something has to do with electrical vehicles. So this is a pretty hot area right now. And sometimes if companies that enter this market offer some innovative products, maybe batteries or something, then they usually explode if they could release some very powerful news. This stock used to trade at $1 back on October 1st of last year. Right now, you could jump in at 47 cents. So your upside potential is about 50 cents, or basically 100% return on your money. So take a look, see what's going on there, maybe put some money into it. So Phoenix Motor, stock symbol PEV, only 46 cents a share. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, download my app called Penny Gems. Go to this website. It will give you the link to the Apple Store, Android Store, and also Amazon App Store for this app. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.